Today, I'll be showing you how to complete the 4 daily transactions you need on the Plaza Finance testnet. If you're just hearing about this testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started, claim your guide rules, and earn your points multipliers. The user interface of the testnet has changed since I published that video, but the general process is the same. The 4 transactions you need on the Plaza Finance testnet are buying and selling Bond Earth and buying and selling Left Earth. To buy Bond Earth, click Earn, click Buy, enter the amount of WST Earth you want to buy the Bond Earth with, click Buy. The first request is to approve the WST Earth for spending, so accept the request. And the next request is for buying the Bond Earth, so accept it. So now you've created Bond Earth. To sell Bond Earth, click Earn, click Sell, enter the amount of Bond Earth you want to sell, click Withdraw, and accept the request in your wallet. So now you've sold your Bond Earth. To buy Left Earth, click Leverage, click Buy, enter the amount of WST Earth you want to buy Left Earth with, click Buy. The first request is to approve your WST Earth for spending, so accept it. And the second request is to buy the Left Earth with your WST Earth, so accept it. Now you have bought some Left Earth. To sell Left Earth, click Leverage, click Sell, enter the amount of Left Earth you want to sell, click Withdraw, and accept the request in your wallet. So that's it. One more thing, you can see your points by going to My Plaza, so click My Plaza and click Points and Rewards. So here you can see your points, your level, and your points multiplier. You can claim some NFTs when you've earned a certain number of points. So to see your eligibility, scroll down, and here you can see which of these NFTs you are eligible to claim. If you are eligible to claim any of these NFTs, you'll see the option to mint the NFT. So click the mint button, and for some of these mints, you may need some mainnet-based ETH to pay for gas fees, not the testnet-based ETH. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Plaza Finance testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. The Mango testnet just launched a few days ago and is set to last for 45 days. So check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. You will also find some other testnets you can join in the bonus section of this video description. So check them out and sign up on as many testnets as possible. So keep completing your 4 daily transactions on the Plaza Finance testnet. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.